Hello, and these are the notes for Unit 6, Day 7. Application of systems. We're going to solve word problems by writing and solving a linear system of equations. Unit price with a fixed cost. Some of them have a unit price problems will have additional fixed one-time costs, such as a delivery fee, installation fee, things like that. And the unit cost will be the slope, rise over run, and the fixed one-time cost will be your y-intercepts. You got this y equals mx plus b. All right, Purple full service gas charges $3 a gallon per gallon of gas and $4 service fee. So let's write an equation for Purple. So that's going to be y equals, your slope is $3 per, and you see that word per, that's going to be a division type thing. So 3 gallon of gas, let's put that as x, plus a $4 service fee. And then let's do some easy here. Red service fee, let's do y equals $2.75 a gallon, so 2.75x, and then a $7 service fee. How many gallons of gas does it take to make the cost the same? So we have both of them that say y equals. So we're going to set this, put this y in for that y. So 3x plus 4 equals 2.75x plus 7. So I'm going to minus 2.75x from both sides. Got some music going on in the background. So 0.25x plus 4 equals 7. So minus 4 from both sides, which gives us 0.25x equals 3. Divide by 0.25. So x will give me 12. And x will be my gallons. So I'm going to say 12 gallons. And they want to know what is the cost. So that means find y. So y equals 3 times 12 plus 4. It doesn't matter which equation I use. So that's going to give me 36 plus 4, or $40. So they are the same price when you have ordering 12 gallons and you're both spending $40. Complementary and supplementary. In geometry, you work with complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles add to 90. Supplementary angles add to 180. So you just have to know that. I can remember this by saying C before S alphabetically, 90 before 180. That helps you use it. Just need to remember complementary add to 90, supplementary angles add to 180. All right, so let's see here. The first equation says one angle is 14 less than 3 times the measure of a second angle. Oh, that's a hard one. So I'm going to put angle, let's just put A, or let's put angle A. It's 14 less than 3 times the measure of the second angle. Let's make that second angle B. So I'm going to say 3 times the measure of B minus the 14, because it's 14 less than. That's a hard one. Next part says the two angles are complementary, which means they add up to 90 degrees. So my other equation will be A plus B has to be 90. I'm going to solve this by substitution. So I'm going to circle this A and substitute in there. So 3B minus 14 plus B equals 90. Combine like terms, so 4B minus 14 equals 90. Add 14 to both sides. So I get 4B equals 104. Divide by 4. So B equals, what's that? So 104 divided by 4. 26 degrees for angle B. And then angle A would have to be, they add up to 90. So A plus B is 90 degrees. So I'm going to say A plus 26 equals 90. So tell me what A is. Subtract 26. So 90 minus 26 is 64 degrees. All right, the next one here. First sentence says one angle is 66 more than about two times the measure of the second angle. All right. So one angle, let's say A, is means equals, remember in math. 66 more than, so 66 plus 2 times the measure of the second angle. Let's call that B. Next sentence says the two angles are supplementary, which means they add to 180. So my next equation will be A plus B equals 180. I'm going to circle this and substitute in for A. So I have 66 plus 2B plus B equals 180, which means add like terms on the left side here. I have 2B and a 1B, so 66 plus 3B equals 180. Subtract 66 on both sides. So 3B equals 114. So divide by 3. B is 38 degrees. And I know that A plus B is 180. So A plus 38 degrees equals 180 degrees. So subtract 38 from both sides. So 180 minus 38, I get 142 degrees. So my two angles are 38 degrees and 142 degrees. And the perimeter of a rectangle. So remember, perimeter, it has the word rim in the middle. So you're adding the rim. So these are the formulas. All right, the perimeter of a rectangle is 62 feet. So I'm going to draw this. And it says the length is 2 feet less than 10 times the width. So if this is W, 2 feet less than 10 times the width, so 10 times W minus 2. So when you see that 2 feet less, you got to put it at the end. And I know I'm looking at the rim, so I'm going to add the 10W minus 2 here and the W. So I know the perimeter is 62, which means I add up all the sides. So I have a W plus a 10W minus 2 plus another W plus a 10W minus 2 equals 62, which gives me a W, a W, a 10W, a 10W, so 22W. I have a negative 2 and a negative 2, so minus 4 equals 62. So add 4 to both sides. So 22W equals 66. Divide by 22. So W is 3. Now another way that you could solve this, you would use the P equals 2L plus 2W. So you'd say perimeter, which is 62, equals 2 times L, and L was the 10W minus 2, plus 2 times W, and W is W. So you get 62 equals 20W. Distribute that, minus 4 plus 2W. So 62 equals 22W minus 4. Add 4, so you get 66 equals 22W. So you see you get the same answer. And W is 3, and it said L is 10W minus 2. So 10 times 3 minus 2, 30 minus 2. So my length is 28 feet. So the dimensions are 3 feet by 28 feet. And assignment is a worksheet.